If you've been seeing those stylish flat caps and newsboy caps plastered all over social media, you've probably come across Henry's Cap, or as they brand themselves, HENRY-caps.com. But before you click buy now, let's slow down and look at what's really going on, because something here feels a little off. At first glance, the website looks polished and confident, claiming to offer handcrafted premium caps, boasting over 5,000 happy customers, and even presenting themselves as a business with 57 years of craftsmanship. But the deeper you look, the more the pieces stop fitting together. There are no real customer reviews anywhere, not on Google, not on Trustpilot, not even on their own social pages, and several Reddit threads mention buyers receiving cheap, generic caps that look nothing like the product photos. Speaking of photos, many of the images appear to be copied, heavily edited, or possibly AI generated, which makes it harder to trust the authenticity of what's being sold. The domain itself was created in October 2025, which makes that 57 years of tradition claim feel more like a story than a fact. Their site information jumps around with inconsistent details, and customer support is limited to a single email address with no clear return policy, physical address, or verified contact options. None of this automatically proves it's a scam, but it also doesn't build the kind of confidence you want when ordering from a shop promising handcrafted quality. So the real takeaway is simple. Henry's Cap sits in a gray area, and nothing blatantly trustworthy, nothing obviously criminal, just a mix of red flags that suggest you should be cautious, do extra research, and maybe explore better established alternatives before handing over your money.